Yo, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. And in this video, we have something very important to accomplish. Now, my new wheels should be coming in today, but we have to go ahead and weigh the car so we can compare the differences between the stock weight with the stock wheels, as well as the updated weight with the aftermarket wheels that I did go ahead and pick out. Let me know down in the comment section right now how much you guys think the Shelby GT350 is going to weigh. This is a full weight car on stock wheels with a rear tire upgrade, and it also has a Procharger Stage 2 Supercharger kit on it with the Coyote crank support that's going to be working with the 5.2 liter Voodoo engine. I'm really curious to see how much this car is going to weigh. I know for a fact it's going to be on the heavier side, but hey, we gonna find out. If you guys enjoy the content, feel free, drop a like in the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications. Let's get on the way. All right, let's get a cold start. I'm not necessarily scared to see how much this car weighs because I've already taken it out to Mexico multiple times. So honestly, the heavier the better in all reality. Just like, you know, when you take your car out, get some runs in, and then you dyno it after, the lower the horsepower, technically the better. 3, 2, 1. Let me know what y'all think, man. We got gas. We're gonna take this up to a weigh station. We're gonna get the cat scale readings. Right here, y'all can see that I gotta secure that with some 3mm tape. I'm gonna put it like behind so it stays on, but I gotta take the bumper off. So I guarantee you, if I take this car to like the track or something like that and launch it, the bumper could literally fall off, and I do not want that to happen. Alright, so we are behind the wheel. We're about to pull up to the weigh station. We're going to be hitting up a cat scale to get an accurate reading on how much the Shelby GT350 does weigh, with the Procharger Stage 2 kit added, as well as the crank support. I'm really curious. I know this car is going to be on the heavier side. It's not going to be light whatsoever. I'm thinking it's going to weigh at least 3,800 pounds. At least 3,800 pounds. If it's anything lighter, I will be very, very, very surprised. I need to do this because I want to compare the difference between the weight with the stock wheels as well as the weight with the aftermarket wheels that I did go ahead and go with. They actually should be at the house by the time I get back, so if they are, I will showcase those. They are from a good company, a company that I bought wheels from before, so they're not like a no-name or some randoms. I wouldn't put, you know, any trash wheels on any of my vehicles, especially, you know, not a vehicle that I drive hard. It just wouldn't make sense to do that. But we're about to pull up to this cat scale. Hopefully it's not too busy, because if there's a line, obviously, you know, I'm here for, you know, personal use. I'm not here for work. Technically it is work, but these fellas have, you know, I could come back realistically anytime today to do this. These fellas got, you know, they got a time limit. They got to be in and out. And I'm not about to hold these truckers up, because I know they be getting pissed. I got some friends in the trucking industry, so I know they hate that type of shit, but we'll see. All right, the cat scale. Somebody literally just rolled off the cat scale, so this is perfect. About to go ahead and weigh this car. Make sure that I get the entire vehicle inside of that box. So, yep, right here. I feel it moving too. Let's go ahead and do this. Whew. feel like I should pull up a little bit more. About to say that guy. Oh, somebody's pulling up behind me.
A few moments later.
All right, so went ahead and weighed the car. We're gonna see exactly how much this thing weighs. A truck pulled up behind me, so I pulled off, let him do his thing. I did not want to hold him up because, again, that would be so disrespectful, but we're at a cat scale. You're gonna see how much this car weighs. I'm gonna go in there and be like, truck number 2. They'll be like, what? So we'll see. Let me know what y'all think. Man, my GoPro battery about to die too. I think I got a spare though. Pretty sure. Whew. Oh, another truck is actually pulling up. Whoa, whoa. We let this other truck pass. Yeah, he's pulling through. Let this other guy go through. This shit is packed right now too. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is packed. Let me get out of here, y'all. This place is business. All right, so I actually just got the reading and it's actually pretty close to what I thought it was gonna be. Now, it's a little bit lighter. It's a little bit lighter, which I guess is a good thing. But in no way, shape, or form is this like a light car. I'm gonna get back to the house right now because my wheels are probably gonna be there, if not coming very, very, very shortly. And what I do not want to have happen is I miss the drop off and I have to wait an additional day, because that's gonna be very, very irritating. Because my mom is actually coming in to visit tomorrow, so if I'm not at the house when my wheels come in, like technically 2 days in a row, that's really gonna back stuff up, because I'm trying to have these wheels mounted this week and I'm gonna have to make an appointment to do so, because I cannot just take these to Discount Tire. No sirree, that is not gonna happen. What the hell is happening up here, bro? Now? All right. Out of that mess. That was kind of insane. Like, that was a lot of cars for no reason right there. I'm gonna get back to the crib right now. I gotta hurry up and then shoot, I'll showcase the wheels and the weight. Give me a couple seconds, y'all. All right, so I'm back at the casa. Now my wheels are here, which is a massive W. I will showcase that in this video, but I have to go ahead and let you guys know how much the car weighs. Now, it's not bad whatsoever. Like, really, it ain't that bad. Again, it's not light though. So the Shelby Gt350, it weighs a whopping 3,760 pounds. A little bit lighter than I thought. I thought it was gonna be 3,800 at least, but 3,760, honestly, that's not bad for a full weight S550 with a supercharger kit. Now, with the new wheels and tire setup, I think it's going to be, like, no joke, I think it's actually gonna be on the lower 3,700 pound range, because I did not get a full drag pack. I didn't really even get a drag pack at all. And I'm also running technically full-size wheels and tires, something I can use to just drive the car around if I need to, and honestly, because I want to. So, whew, let's go ahead and go over the wheels. So here's the weight, just so you guys know I'm not capping. 3,760. This is a full weight Shelby Gt350. It's got the Recaro seats, and as you guys can see back here, I do have a rear seat delete, but literally a full weight car. On the stock wheels. So hopefully this car goes down to like the lower 3,700, but honestly it's probably just gonna shave off maybe 30-40 pounds rotational. So we'll see, y'all, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the new wheels we got. All right, so before I go ahead and show you guys the wheels that I went with, take one last guess. I said that I had them previously on a car, and I was really happy with them, and you guys know I had to go with them again. All right, so here we go, y'all. We went with some Weld Wheels, man. Y'all probably thought I was gonna get some RPF 1s for the Shelby GT350, but I ain't gonna lie, if I could fit the 17s, I probably would have, but had to go with the old reliables, the Welds. Now, off topic, if y'all know how to clean up like a spill in a garage, please let me know. Honestly, I kind of just leave this in here as a reminder to do like my pre-flight check every time, you know, I start up the car, look underneath it. And I also do a walk around with the 2024 Mustang GT as well. But if y'all know how to get this up off of garage floor, greatly appreciate it. Like, this is an oil spill. This is an oil spill, so if I can get that up, that'd be awesome. We'll do an unboxing. I'm gonna unbox one rear wheel and one front wheel. So these are gonna be 18s in the actually in the rear, and these are gonna be, actually, believe it or not, 20s in the front, because I have to clear the Brembros. They're not the same Brembros on the GTs, unfortunately. Now, I wish they were the same sizing, because then I could have went with an 18 in the front and a 17 in the back like I could with this car. You can't do that with the Shelby GT350. Now, we do have the sticker pack here, which is quite nice. I do like the way they go ahead and package these wheels. Very, very nice. The Inkai does the same as well, and they're, you know, significantly cheaper wheel, but do like the way they go ahead and package all this. I'm not gonna fully unbox these because these are literally gonna be going in the car, honestly, today, because I'm just gonna wait till I get my tires, which should be tomorrow, so I can get these mounted on ASAP, because the tires in my car are done. These have to go on ASAP. But here we go. Oh, we got more packaging. Awesome. I'm gonna keep that. But here we go, man. We have some Weld bell mounts. These look really, really, really good. Again, these are gonna be the rears. We have the center cap already in place, so that's what's up. But let me know what y'all think, man. I think these are gonna look really, really good. I'm gonna go ahead and get the fronts unboxed right now. Should have the same treatment as far as packaging. I ain't gonna lie. I dropped our GoPro. Whew. Here are the fronts. Damn, these look good. Weld always knocks it out the park with the way these wheels look. What do y'all think, man? Are these a W? They're like a modified version of the stock wheels. Kinda, not really, but they gonna look good, man. We got an 18 by 10 in the back, and this is gonna be actually a 20 by 8 in the front, so I can clear the Brembos. Now, I do know there are other companies out there that makes wheels specifically for Shelby GT350 owners that care about like drag racing, but the price per pound saved, in my personal opinion, just wasn't there, man. And to the fact that I've had Weld Wheels before, I had S71s on a previous Mustang, no issues, loved them, they look great, even dirty. I just decided to stick with what I know, and I cannot wait to get these on the car with the Nitto tires, and it's gonna look good, man. It's gonna look good. I have seen a Shelby GT350 with these on, not my colorway, but they look money. Look great. So can't wait to get these on. So if you guys are vibing with them, let me know down in the comment section. And as always, if you guys enjoy the content on the channel, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications. Hopefully the next video you guys see will be, you know, with them on the car. I think I get my rear tires tomorrow. They could come later today. I'm not 100% sure, but obviously I can't get them mounted today because it's like already into the afternoon. So hopefully the next video they'll be mounted up. Planning on trying to get them mounted, maybe like, to be honest with you, if I can get them done Tuesday, W, but it might be, you know, Wednesday, Thursday. So if you guys enjoy, like I said, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one, man. Deuces. Perfect time, 'cause I'm starting to cut the grass.